lightning strike about a minute ago. We watched it hit. They're just getting here. Looks like they're gonna mess up this place. You take a picture of me videotaping. Look at the smoke come out of that place. Come on, stand out here. I got a big umbrella. If they don't get it quick, that place is gonna go up. That old yellow.
Holy crap!
Look at that. Those poor people.
Lightning strike about 5 minutes ago.
Not pretty. Look at this thing. They are fixing to have.
This is a lightning strike 5 minutes ago behind our office. This is not pretty.
Do you have to hold yours down for the videotape?
It's a Snapchat.
Oh, it's a Snapchat. Oh. Look at this. Walk to your right a little bit. It's storming rain and it's going to go up in smoke. Look at the smoke come out from around the windows. Smile so you know who did it.
Hi.
Weston and James. Here we go. We're staying out here in the middle of the rain.
It's storming in town.
Look at David's office covered.
It scared me!
Yeah. Oh, looks like they're getting it under control a little bit, hopefully. It's going down some. Every bit of it. That's what I was checking too. That's it going down the street. Come on, Gibbs. Doing alright. Local spectators videotape. What's up, big man? Is that thing waterproof? Lightning hit it while I was sitting in the back of the office.
About 10 minutes ago. It came in the back window of my office and shattered my
Yeah,
window.
we heard it and they called. No, nah. We'll be alright.
What y'all see?
Huge lightning strike slammed the building next door to our office.
I guess this will be the corner of 6th and it'll be 8th Street going that way.
That's actually 6th Street there.
That's 6th Street. Is this 14th? What are we on here? 14th one down. They won't get that smell out forever.
You're missing the
I'm holding the umbrella, therefore. You're coming down here to videotape with this channel news. I think it looks good. Look at where the heat is drying the shingles out right there beneath that window. See how the shingles are completely dry? Look, see, he's pointing. There he is, yeah. Let's see. Through that window. Yeah, I'm just leaving it on. It's only been 6 minutes. Watch it. Oh yeah, here we go. You're gonna take that window out, try and go into the window probably. It's drying those shingles, so better be careful. Must be up in the insulation in the roof.
You guys okay? That's your office?
Yep.
You guys okay? We're at the prime location. We're your neighbors at prime.
I watched it hit down here. I wondered if it was going to catch.
It hit outside our window.
Well, actually, when we started looking, we had half the lights go off and we reset the breakers.
Yeah.
Half of them came on, half didn't.
Okay, thank you.
But, so when we went up there to check to see if those lights were on, we saw the stop smoke.
Yep. Which side did it hit on? That side over there or this side? It hit on the front up here?
These old buildings, you know.
When a secretary started ball fire over our front door side. It came in, we have an alarm of a door kind. She saw it come in, ball of fire.
A ball of fire coming through the door.
But it didn't start or scorch the door. And that's why I couldn't.
That's just a lightning strike.
Oh, we saw it hit.
We're over there, you know, at prime locations. That yellow office right there. Pardon some of the children stuff.
Look at the, I'm going to videotape this one. Look at the smoke. You can't even see the other roof anymore. Here goes. Probably can't see it too good out here. See, you can't even touch those shingles. It's so hot. There he goes. Taking that out. They're going to get a bigger hose.
Dead.
Yeah, they brought him a ladder truck? No, he's going to the fire hydrant. Okay. Move over a little bit. I know. We already smell like it. I told you I saw it hit. Where are you going? Stand here. No. That office is total. Look at the water come out the roof when he squirts it through that thing. Yep. Move down for the hose. When he fires the hose up. That thing will pump up 8 inches thick. That's how they massive water flow. There it goes. See it? Watch. Got the old truck. There we go. Stop recording at 11:30. 11 minutes and 30 seconds. It don't take long to do a lot of damage, does it? It's getting tired. Here we go. Alright. Alright, we're back again on the back side of the house. And I knew it was going to happen. But here we go. It finally busted through. We left for about 30 minutes. Now we're back. Jay, back up over here. Come here. They got ladder trucks and everything. He's trying to tell them to get out of the way. Come on, step across the street out of the way. Here. Watch your hose when they turn it on. Hey, did you get your wish? You said you wanted a blaze before you left. You got your wish, right? What? You got a bad one now? I knew it was going to bust through. I looked out the window. I said, it's going to go. They got some issues now.
What are they going to do?
I have no clue. Look at
things going to burn.
I knew it was. You got a kink. I said, it gets up in them files. I said, Jared said, oh, we think we got it put out. Here's what he said. I said, I don't think so. Is your big camera dead? Did you kill it?
I just got this one box. I just got some pictures, but
I'll videotape it again. I knew it was going to bust through. There's no way it could just smolder for that long. Oh, now they got some pressure. He's overshooting it though. Yep. Huh? I figured after it sat there for, we stood out here for what, 30 minutes waiting on it just smoldering, and they said they had it put out. You can't. Yeah. That's it now. Yeah, the whole thing's on. And just imagine the water damage. Look at that thing. If I would have watered that brick. Oh, watch your window. Watch the window. Oh, tree's in the way. You can't see through the tree. Wow, look at that plume of smoke. It's gonna burn the whole thing. Look at it up in that attic right there, on the underneath that window, where it's just up in the top of it. Ooh. See, this is a good spot to stand. Stand up there in front of the ladder truck. Huh? You can't put enough water on it. Look at that. Look at it. They got 1, 2, 3, 4 hoses on it. They got 4 hoses on it, and they can't even touch this blaze. Whoa, watch yourself now. Oh yeah. There he goes. Now he's on a good spot. He's smoking it a little bit. Alright, we'll turn this off.